Thai seal. Seal is the natural filament product by the salivary glands of silkworms, which are a type of moth that feed on the mulberry bush. Silkworms are caterpillars, not worms. They spin their cocoons using a compact set of within their bodies. When they change from larva into pupa, Thai seal is produced by Thai caterpillars laid on Thai mulberry leaf by Thai wherever in Thai. What's the difference between machine woven and hand woven Thai silks? Every piece of hand woven Thai silk is a timeless, a unique work of textile art from the hands of a rural Thai woman. Since it is art work product by a human, it forever carry an imprint of the character, thoughts, emotion, feelings, spirit, and life of the wearer. Its imperfection is the heart of its beauty and the proof of this human uh, character. Um, Machine woven silk in a wide, monotonally perfect industry fabric that can be produced to ISO standards and is more suitable than hand woven silk for some purpose. We sell both Thai wholesale and retail. Why is Thai silk so shiny and luster? Thai silk has a triangular fiber which reflects light like prism. It so has layers of protein that give it a natural sheen and mark in luster and smooth. Silk is an insect fiber and superior to any animal or plant fiber. Thai silk fiber is strong but lightweight, elastic but supple. What is smooth Thai silk? Smooth Thai silk has a shiny, satin-like finish. Is suitable for all purposes, particularly clothing and interior decorating. The standard width was formerly about 37 inches slash 94 centimeters and is available in 2-ply and sometimes 4-ply. Start in 2003, our Thai weaver began producing seal at a standard width of 40 inches. How to clean seals, how to clear for seal. Dye cleaning is cheap best way to keep Thai seal in good condition and maintain its original beauty, lather and texture. You can also hand wash it in lukewarm water using the muted salt as a tablespoonful of clear white vinegar added to the final rinse. Never rinse your Thai seal. Dry it in the chest, preferable where there are my piece and be sure it will support iron Thai seals on the inside of the garment while it is still slightly damp if already they dye apply a damp coat on the outside and iron through the coat properly. Clear for Thai seal can easily last a century and be passed on your children and grandchildren. Thank you very much.